Hi guys, welcome back to Uwanimbie home. If you're new, my name is Lillian, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys 5 hacks on how to style and decorate your coffee table, and I'm also going to be giving you the different ways and different ideas on how to style them. But before we get into the video, if you've been enjoying my video so far and you've been loving it, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. This is honestly going to help me grow my channel. And if you're enjoying today's video, please hit that like button and let's get into the video. So hack number 1 is look around. Look around your house. I mean, chances are you already have something. If you're like some of us that sleep at Home Goods and at Ross and at home, then you already have something. Sis, just sit down. Don't go nowhere. Go and find it in your house. So as you can see, for me, I already have this vase. And I've been saying for the past 3 videos that I'm going to spray paint it, but I haven't done it, but I'm going to do it today because you guys have to see the beauty of this stuff I've been talking about so far. So that's that. So go into your house and find things. Number 2, know the shape of what you're styling. So if you're styling a round or rectangular coffee table, let's say a rectangular coffee table, you're going to want to use like a rectangular tray to group your items. And also if you're decorating a kitchen island that is like round, in my case, you're going to want to use a vase or a round tray to decorate your item. But this rule doesn't apply to everything. So in my kitchen, in my living room, I have a round tray with a rectangular coffee table. But the reason why I broke this rule is because I have a U-shaped sectional, so it still kind of works. You know, the roundness is still going around somewhere. And honestly, to be honest with you, this tray was very inexpensive, and I was not about to miss out on it, so I made the rule work. I broke the rule basically. But it still looks good. It still looks good, so that's all that matters. 2 is group items together. The reason why you want to group items together is because it's more appealing to the eyes, and it brings a form of cohesiveness to your decoration. So if you were to scatter all these things on the table like this, it just doesn't look appealing anymore. It just looks scattered. So for us to bring it together and make it stand out more, and we're gonna have to like group this thing together. Items that you can use to group these things are maybe a tray, a bowl. What else do you use to group? I think that's about it, or whatever works for you. Whatever works for you. In my case, I'm going to be grouping it with a tray, so know what works. Number 3 is have more than 2 items when it comes to you grouping your items, because when you just have 2 just sitting there, it just doesn't look appealing to the eye, and it brings an attention to the table that something is not right, something is off. But the moment you start using more than 2, like 3, it balances out the whole situation, so it starts looking more appealing, and you know, it doesn't knock you off of your feet anymore. That doesn't make sense, but it just looks more, you know, more appealing to the eyes, right? I have this book. If I only use one book, it's not cutting it. If I use 2 or 3, it just brings a different dimension, a different dynamic to the book. It just looks better. Even the same goes for the vases and little knickknacks that you're, you know, styling. Just make sure that there are more than 2 on them. So with this rule also comes with the fact that your item does not need to be on the same height. Okay, you want to make sure that there's variation in the height of the items you're having. So that is like small, medium, large. This is just gonna make sure that the items are standing out more, and you're really noticing it, and brings that balance one more time to the house. Again, the idea is cohesiveness. The idea is togetherness and making sure that things are not just scattered. Number 4 is have different materials or textures. So on this coffee table, you see that I have a chrome vase, and I also have this pumpkin. It's really just for Thanksgiving decoration, but I have it for all season. Okay, I love this stuff. So I have this. It has this rough texture to it, right? And then I have this candle holder with the chrome vase and the different texture of the pumpkin item, and then this matte candle. It just the textures and the materials are just all mixing together, and they each stand out. That's what you want to do. You don't want to have something that is all mirrored and shiny and all that stuff together in the same group. It just takes away from the beautifulness of, is that a word? Is that a word? It just it just takes away from the loveliness. That doesn't flow either. It just takes away from the, yeah, it takes away from the look, the great look of the items on the table. I think that works. Number 5 is to personalize your items. Okay, so this is the time where you can bring all those things now that you've been wanting to like show, but you don't know how to show it. Maybe something from your grandparents' house that he's given to you that you love, something from a travel, you know, you went to Paris and you know you got a really nice item. This is a way to, you know, display those items, you know, things that mean something to you, that brings memory to you. Those are things that you probably should put on the coffee table, on the kitchen island. Put them there, show it off, let people, you know, take pride in it. I guess let people see it. You know, the chances are they're gonna ask you questions about it, and it starts up a conversation. So I always stress on, you know, putting your own touch to your decoration. And so when people see it, they're like, okay, this is Lillian's, this is for sure Lillian's decoration, because it just shows who she is. So bring those items that mean something to you, place it there, let people see it. Okay, so let's go into the look number 1 is this beautiful glass vase. Is this glass? I guess from World Market, and then the flowers. This honestly is a very simple statement, and the reason why I'm going with this is because it's bigger and it just stands out. You don't want to over decorate, so I feel like this works. This is perfect, simple. Number 2 is this gold mirror tray. It's so beautiful. So I think that a beautiful nice candle, and this beautiful white vase, and with all those flowers, and you know, choose the flowers that you like, and then put a little bit of candle, a little bit of your maybe you can even put a candy here. And that's a look. It looks really beautiful. But even we can just rearrange it the way we want to. And I think this is a really nice look right here. Yeah, I like that. Number 3, I'm going to include this beautiful, I love this wood tray. It's really elegant, it's really nice, and honestly, if you were to have just a little white vase inside of it, this is a black vase, so this will not work, but we can also put, let's see how we can decorate it to kind of give it a really nice look. So let me just do my thing here. Okay, maybe we can put this one item here. Okay, this goes well, this is not bad at all. Okay, look at that, that looks really nice. It looks really nice. I like that. Okay, that's nice. The video, you know, it was a very short one. Hopefully when I'm done editing it will be short, but it was a very short one. But I hope this gives you ideas on ways to style your coffee table. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, do not forget to subscribe and to my channel, and if you've not seen my previous videos, please just get your coffee, put it on your coffee table, and go and watch the previous ones. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.